ACE Allbond SE from Bisco is setting a new standard in bonding technology. Bisco's new self-etch bonding system is a revolutionary technology that brings together state-of-the-art adhesion and a new delivery innovation. ACE Allbond SE is a handheld, all-in-one adhesive system that lets you etch, prime, and bond in one simple application. Allbond SE comes in a convenient cartridge delivery that fits into the ACE dispenser. ACE takes the guesswork and time out of every bonding procedure by accurately dispensing the correct proportion of material. Only Bisco can offer you the stability of a two-component self-etch adhesive with the ease and convenience of a one-bottle system. The ACE dispenser accurately dispenses the correct proportion of material for predictable results every time. The use of Allbond SE reduces the potential for post-operative sensitivity. Allbond SE maintains a secure seal to prevent microleakage and fluid movement. In addition, Allbond SE was developed to provide superior bond strength from a self-etch adhesive. Allbond SE was also formulated to be a truly universal self-etch adhesive that, unlike many competitive products, is indicated for both direct composite restorations and indirect restorations with light and without light. Plus, Allbond SE bonds to self- and dual-cured composites and cements without the use of an additional activator. Allbond SE can be used as a single-step bonding agent or with the unique liner for larger restorations that require reinforced durability. The Allbond SE liner is radio-opaque, allowing visibility on radiographs in areas where adhesives commonly pool, reducing the risk of misdiagnosing caries. When bonding to dentin, the transition from the very hydrophilic tooth structure to the completely hydrophobic restorative material must be addressed. Allbond SE manages the transition in 2 steps. Step 1. Allbond SE adhesive contains hydrophilic monomers that are very compatible with the tooth. However, a hydrophilic bonding agent can be prone to permeability and potential degradation of the bond interface. Step 2. Allbond SE liner is a more hydrophobic resin that acts as an additional barrier to prevent the permeability and allows for the perfect coupling between the adhesive and the restorative material. Bisco has built all of this technology into a material that is easy to use. Isolate, clean, and dry the preparation. Load the cartridge with label facing up. Remove the cap. Position both cartridge tips over the mixing well and press the orange button 1 time. The correct proportion of material is dispensed. Using a brush, mix Allbond SE until it is uniformly pink. Place Allbond SE on enamel and dentin. Agitate and air dry, then light cure for 10 seconds. It is optional to use Allbond SE liner for the added benefits of radiopacity and long-term stability of the bond. If continuing with placement of the liner, apply a very thin layer and light cure for 10 seconds. Place composite and finish the restoration. ACE Allbond SE makes self-etch dental bonding more reliable, more flexible, and more compatible with today's restorative options. For more information, contact Bisco at 800-247-3368 or visit bisco.com.